Students, you're welcome back to the channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. This is the continuation of our series of lessons on binary operation. Binary operation. In this lesson, we are looking at what short example on properties of what binary operation. Yes. So if you recall, we learned that we considered the three properties of what properties of binary operation. The first one is what commutative property. Okay. First one is commutative property. You have commutative property. Okay, and we are saying that with the commutative property, always we have what we take what two elements from a set, a particular set on which the binary operation is defined. Two elements and what one operation. There are two elements and one operation. So we are saying that, for example, if you are taking the operation of let's say dot, and then this operation of dot is defined on the set of real numbers R, then we take any two elements from the set of real numbers, let's say S what SY, from this belonging SY, which belong to what from the, or belonging to the set of real numbers, or we take XY from the set of real numbers. We are saying that then the operation dot is what is commutative if what X dot what dot Y is the same as what Y dot what Y dot X. Yes, that's what we said. Okay. Yes, so this would be an example. We can consider the operation of what let's say addition. Addition of real numbers. So if we take 4 and what and 2 from the set of real numbers, and then using the operation of addition, then we can say that 4 plus 2, if 4 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 4, then we say that the operation of addition is what is commutative with respect to what set of real numbers. Yes. So this is 6. This will give you 6, and this one also give you 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So it's true. So that the operation of, you can conclude that the operation of addition is what? Operation of addition of real numbers. The operation of addition of real numbers is what? Is commutative. Yes. And then we also said that we also have this is the first one. The second property is what? Is the associative property. Associative property. Associative property. Then we are saying that with associative property, unlike the commutative property, associative property, we take what 3 elements. We take 3 elements. So we can take let's say X, Y, hot, and Z from the set of what belonging to the set of real numbers. We can take X, Y, Z from the set of real numbers, and then we can still take this operation dot. Have you seen? Yes. Then we are saying that the operation dot is what is the associative. The operation dot is what associated with respect to what a set of what real numbers if what X dot Y dot Z is equal to what X dot Y dot what dot Z. So you have these 3 elements or 3 numbers, and we are applying the operation of dot on these 3 numbers. How do you do that? Somebody can decide to apply it on the first 2 elements, X and Y. The result the person will get, and you finally apply the operation on the result and what and Z. Somebody can also decide to apply the operation on the elements of Y and Z, and the result the person will get, you will apply the operation on the result and what and X. Yes. So at the end of the day, what we are saying that if this, irrespective whether you perform you apply the operation on the first 2, and then you combine your answer with the last element, or you are performing the operation on the last 2 elements or numbers, and you combine that answer with the first element, irrespective of how or the order. If this is equal to what is equal to this, then we can conclude that the operation is what? The operation is associative. The operation dot is associative. And then we look at an example that if you have, let's say, multiplication, you have 3 numbers 2, let's say 3 what 1, and you have to multiply. Whenever you are multiplying 3 numbers like this, in fact, definitely you multiply 2 numbers before you multiply. Before you multiply your result with the last number. So somebody can do this, or somebody can also multiply 3 times 1. Can multiply the last 2 first. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 1, and then this one is 2 times 3 times 1 is 3. So this one will give us 6. This one will also give us 6. Yes. So that is what we mean by what the commutative and the associative property. We also look at what the distributive property, and we said that with the distributive property, we take what? We always take 3 elements with what 2 operations. 3 elements and what? 2 operations. So if you define the operation on the set, let's say on the set of real numbers up, then we will take 3 elements from the set of real numbers. Let's say A, B, and what? C. And then with 2 operations, let's say you take the operation of what? Multiplication and what? And addition. Have you seen? This is a practical example. Multiplication and addition. So then if you are saying that if you have A times into bracket what? B plus what? Plus C, if you have this. If you expand this, what do you get? You get A times what? AB plus what? BC. Yes, this is what you get. Have you seen? So if this is equal to what? This is equal. If this is equal to this, then we are saying that which one is distributive over which? The last time we were trying to put it across. So here, you know, this the multiplication. We are distributing multiplication. This is multiplication. There's multiplication here. Okay, we are distributing multiplication over what? Over addition. Have you seen? So this. If you come to the look at the expanded this side, then we see that we have two what? We have one multiplication, one multiplication. So we have 2 multiplication sign, and then we have what? 1 addition sign. Okay. So in there, this is the multiplication is distributive over what? Addition. So we are distributing multiplication of addition. So if this happens, if it happens that this is equal to this for every 3 elements that you take from the set of real numbers, then we can conclude that the operation of multiplication is distributive over addition. So that's what we are saying. So instead of multiplication, we can just use let's say A dot what? Dot multiplication can use the own defined operation A dot. Then we have B let's say square C. So if you have then you have what? A dot what? Dot B. Or then we have the square to bracket what? A dot what? C. So if this is equal to this, so if you define the manual operation and then you evaluate this and it goes to this, it's the same as this. If the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then we can conclude that the operation is what? The operation of dot A distributive over square. So here that the one which is distributive over the other appears twice here. So dot. So the dot is distributive over square. Okay. Right, so we are looking at examples in this lesson. So let us consider these examples. Hope this is meant to recap. This is a recap. I mean, we also just refresh our minds, make you understand. Thank you for watching. Let us continue and look at this example. Okay, so guys, this is an example saying that this is a continuation of our lessons on series of lessons on binary operations. So we are looking at this is further mathematics or elective mathematics. We are looking at soft example on what properties of binary operations. So the question says that what a binary operation triangle is defined on the set of the set R of real numbers by what? A triangle B is equal to what? A B or A times B plus what? A plus B for A B belonging to what? The set of real numbers. We are supposed to evaluate this. Okay? Evaluate 2 triangle minus 4 and then 3 negative 3 triangle negative 1. Then B we are asked to determine whether or not whether the operation triangle is commutative. Whether the operation triangle is what? Associative. Okay, so let us continue. This is a solution. Okay, solution we have this is A. Okay, giving. Let us write the question. You are saying giving. You are giving what? A. This is a theoretical question. So this is how you solve. You solve A triangle what? B. A triangle B is equal to what? A times B, AB, then plus what? A plus what? Plus B. For where else? A, or you can say that as for what? Comma 4. A, B, A, comma B belonging to the set of what? Real numbers. And then we are asked what? Evaluate A. This is 1. 1A. You have to evaluate what? 2. You have two triangle what? Negative 4. Okay? 2 triangle negative 4 is what you have. Okay, so this is what know that this is equivalent to what? A triangle what? B. So what does it mean? It means that A is equal to what? 2. A is 2 and then B is negative 4. Have you seen? B is equal to negative 4. So whatever you see, it means that 2 triangle negative 4 is equal to whatever you see A in the definition of the operation. You put 2 there. Whatever you see B, you put negative 4 there. So is what? AB. Which become 2 times what? 2 times negative 4. Okay, then plus what? 2 plus what? negative 4. Okay, so what do we get? This is equal to 2 times negative 4, get what? Negative 8, and then plus 2, then this becomes what? Minus what? Minus 4. Okay, so negative negative, in other words, so we have negative 8, and then have you seen negative 8, and negative, what is 2 minus 4 is negative 2, so negative 2, which is what? Negative 10. So this is the answer you get. And then we have the next one is what? Negative 3 triangle what? Triangle negative negative 1. So A is equal to what? This is A. A is equal to negative 3 and B is equal to negative 1. Okay, so this is A triangle B is equal to AB. So negative 3 triangle negative 1, get negative 3 into bracket negative 1 plus what? A is what? Negative 3, and then plus what? B, which is what? Negative 1. Okay, so which is equal to 3 times negative 1 is what? Get negative positive what? Positive 3. Positive 3, then you use 1, you remove the bracket, just like so. We get negative 3 minus 1. Have you seen? So this and this is 0, so we get the answer will be negative 1. Okay, yes. So guys, we hope you enjoy. This is not difficult at all. So yes, so let us look at what it said, that I should determine whether the operation is what? Commutative. B, determine whether or not the operation triangle is commutative or what? Associative. Okay, guys, so let us go to the next page and look at the what? The B. Okay, so yeah, this is the B part. Yes, B. You have to determine whether or not BI, whether the operation is what? Is operation triangle is commutative, and the I, whether the operation is what? As associative. Okay, so we are saying that the operation, so we say that the operation triangle is what? Is commutative. Commutative. If if okay, if A triangle what? B is equal to what? B triangle what? A. We change their position and they are the same. Okay, so we know that, as we know, as we are giving, you know that A triangle B is equal to what? A times B plus what? A plus what? B. So what does it imply? It implies that B triangle A, mean that B triangle A, B will come first. So whatever we see A put B, then we change their position, so we get what? B A plus what? B plus what? A. So what is this? Let us try to rearrange this, whether to be the same as this. So this is equal to what? B times A the same as A times B. So we get AB. And then plus A plus B plus A the same as what? Plus A plus what? Plus B, which is equal to what? A triangle what? Triangle B. So what do you see? So we are saying that this A triangle B is equal to B triangle A. So hence the operation triangle is what? Is commutative. This is a theory question. Commutative. This is how you solve it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Hope you are enjoying. You are following B. So you are saying that you have to what? Determine whether the operation is what? Operation is associative. Okay. You know that for associativity, for the associative property, we take what? 3 elements from the set, and then we take what? One operation. So we have to what? We say that let. You can say that let. You know this AB is already, they are already given. Let AB, then you add C to it. ABC belong to what? Belong to a set of what? Real numbers. Let this, then you can say then the operation. The operation triangle is what? Associative. Associative. If what? If just write A triangle B triangle what? C is equal to what? A triangle what? B triangle what? Triangle C. Okay? Yes. If A triangle B triangle C triangle is equal to what? A triangle B triangle C. Same thing. So what do you want? We have the three. You are evaluating. You can either evaluate the first two and then first, and then you combine, apply the operation on it, on your result, whether with the last two, or somebody can also decide to evaluate the last two first. So yes, if this is equal to this, then so we take this. So for this, we have A triangle what? B triangle what? Triangle C. So this is equal to what is A triangle B? A triangle B is equal to is equal to this. So we have AB. This one is what? Sorry guys. So this A triangle B is equal to AB plus what? Plus A plus what? Plus B. So this is the A triangle B. Okay. Then triangle what? Triangle C. Now you see. So this what the whole of this. The whole of this is what? You are taking the whole of this. If this one, let's say, was X, then it becomes S triangle what? C. You can see S triangle C. So this is the same as S triangle what? C, which is equal to SC plus what? X plus what? C. What is X? S is the whole thing. So this is equal to what? S is what? AB plus A plus what? Plus B. Plus B. This is multiplying what? Multiplying the C. Okay? And then plus what? A. Let me come down here. Let me come down. So plus what? Plus X. S is what? Plus this is X. A plus B. AB plus what? A plus what? B. And then plus what? Plus C is what you have. Okay? Yes, is what you have. So you can just can leave this if you like, or you can expand. If you expand, you get A B C plus what? AC plus what? BC, then plus what? Plus AB plus A plus B plus what? C is what we get. Okay? So do you have any common listing to add AB? Oh, no. So this is the answer we get. Okay? Then we come to mutate this one. Also A triangle into bracket B triangle what? C. So this is equal to A triangle. Triangle into bracket. What is this? This one will be what? B what? BC. Okay? BC plus what? Plus B plus what? C. This is what we have. So this is which is equal to what? Then we have A triangle. This. So we get A times the whole of this thing. B C plus what? B plus what? C. Then plus what? Plus A. Then plus B C plus B plus what? Plus C. Is what we get. Okay? Yes. So let us start to. So we have what? A B C plus what? We have A B then plus what? AC. Then we have this plus A. Okay? Then plus what? You just remove the bracket plus what? BC plus A plus BC BC plus B plus C. Okay? BC plus what? Plus B plus what? C, which is equal to, okay, so let us write this ABC first. We have A B C, then plus what? ABC. We have AC. Can write the AC first. We are trying to rearrange whether we will get this. Okay, so we write this AC plus what? AC, then plus we have AC, then BC. Okay, so AC written then BC. We have BC. We have it plus what? BC, then plus what? We have AB. Okay, this is the AB. Write this AB plus what? AB, then plus what? Plus A. What is A? This is A. Okay, you write it plus A, and then plus B, then plus C. Okay, so plus this B, plus B, and then plus what? Plus this what? Plus C. Okay, yeah. So you see that this is equal to what we have here. This is the same as this. Therefore, so you can say that hence the operation triangle is what? Is associative. Why? Since what? Since this is equal to what? Since this is equal to this. Okay? Since this is equal to this. Yeah. So this one is this. The answer for that. And this is what? The answer for this. So they are equal. Since they are equal, then the operation triangle is what? Associative with respect to what? A set of real numbers here. Thank you guys. I hope you understand. If you don't understand it, let me know to the comment section. Keep your comment coming. If you have any question, if you have whatever, let me know. You can also let me know on WhatsApp, through WhatsApp or WhatsApp, and then you have everything. Let me know. I'm ready to make you understand everything completely. This is not difficult at all. I have some more examples, more exam questions. Look at exam questions, final exam questions, the subsequent lessons. Yes, this is very understandable and enjoyable. Add the name of the channel and plus get understand. Don't remember because understanding is fun. If you have understanding, you have power. You can control everything. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. If you really enjoy it, let me know by subscribing and by sharing with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.